My name is Kamaraju, and I came with my wife as an attendant from Andhra Pradesh. We reside in Tuni, TUNI. It is near Visakhapatnam, some 100 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. From there, we came here for joint pains, knee pains, and everything. Rheumatic arthritis. The thing is, before coming here, just everybody told us this is an hospital, and then we came here just to recover from the problems we have. My wife is having arthritis for the last 3 years. We are suffering like anything. Almost for the last 5 months, she is totally on bed only. In that moment, we came here after hearing from somebody that there is a good hospital and all that. But after coming here, we felt that we haven't came to an hospital. This is just like a health resort. This is not an hospital. This is a health resort. Just like a resort. We are residing here without any fear of our health, fear of any problems. The team here is beautiful team. Please have the medicines like food. Beautiful team. And what they told us is, we can't cure anything, but we can treat you so that you can live better life at least for 5 to 10 years. That is what they told us. It is a great thing. They haven't promised anything, but when we came here, the atmosphere itself is very enchanting, total greenery, along with beautiful temple Dhanvantari, along with so many temples here, Shiva and Navagraha and all that. By early in the morning, they started at 5 o'clock and 5:30, they started knocking at the door and giving 6 p.m. medicine, 6 a.m. medicine, and again 8 a.m., again 10 a.m. Like that, they are giving medicines for 8 to 10 times. But within the 15 minutes time, we have to take it. And the way they are behaving in the reception, or the therapists, or the doctors, we are not able to find equal to these places. I have visited lot of places, lot of hospitals throughout the Andhra and throughout, but I haven't find a place like this. Never, not at all, because everybody is very obliging, very obliging. Whatever you ask, they are ready to help you. Whenever we pick the phone, they are ready to help you. Within minutes, they are calling on us, asking us what is the problem, and repairing the problem immediately. Whatever it is, whatever we ask, it is done on the spot. We can't say, I can say more and more, because the thing is, go to the reception, we are very happy, we are free time, we can go to the library. The library, it is having thousands books, maybe better languages and all that. Even in English, they are having a lot of books. And in Hinduism itself, they are having a lot of books in Hinduism. And then we have seen the therapists, beautiful therapists here, they are having here. Whatever they say, one thing I am saying is, whatever I say, I am saying the thing with online, not online or nothing else like that, visual effects. They say that they will be giving therapy at 8:30 a.m. By 8:20 they are ready at the room. They are asking us for a therapy in the evening 4 o'clock, but within 10 minutes they will be there, 3:50 they will be there. They are asking for therapy at 5 o'clock, 4:50 they will be there. And the way they are doing the therapy, pakka 1 hour, they are not wasting even a minute in the therapist room. And another thing I am happy is, in the room of the therapy, it is very clean. All over the place, wherever you go, cleanly, not so much clean it can't be, because it is not a small place, it is big place, very big place. So much cleanly, the greenery, what is going on, we are not able to understand. The one thing I am not able to understand is how this coordination is coming, how this synchronization is coming, how they are able to plan the things. I am not able to recognize. One thing I am happy is, even the doctor comes, happily sits, discusses the problem, asks the problem, and goes into the problem, and at least she takes at least 20 minutes. Wherever you go, it may be a corporate or big hospital, no doctor is giving time at least 5 minutes. Here it is not like that, they are giving 20 minutes time. Any doctor comes and discusses the problem, first relaxes the patient. After relaxing the patient, they will ask what her problems. And the thing is, we came on 30th, now it is 11th, almost 12 days. There is a change, almost 50% change. We haven't expected it, never, because when we are coming here, we thought there will be 10 to 15% change and we will be happy with that. But now it is 50% change already in 10 days time. She is able to stand on her own, not on bed. She is able to stand on her own. She is going to the therapy room on her own. She is coming back from the therapy room on her own. A magical institute, I say, a magical institute. What they are doing in the therapy room, I don't know. Lot of therapy systems they are following. Every day, Dr. Tanuja, a beautiful doctor. I must not only thank her, I must say namaskaram to her. Child, because I should not namaskaram because she is a child. But the thing is, every day she changes the therapy system, going into better way, going into another way, and every day she regulates the therapy, and she always says this has to be done, that has to be done, like that. I am telling you, in 10 days time, she is able to walk, she is able to stand. That is not a small thing. Even I am getting tears. I am not able to express my gratitude, because here I must I must express my gratitude to the management. What management they are doing, nobody can expect it, because one thing we must be happy. See, now around 10 people, sweepers, they have gone like this. Nobody speaks, nobody quarrels. We can't see any quarrel here. Even in a small house, there are two ladies, means guarantee there will be some quarrel. Here I haven't seen anybody talking like quarrel. Just they are whispering in the low tone, and happy movements are going on between them. Even the therapists, lot of therapists, I heard that there are 100 therapists, they are happy in their own way. How they are being managed, how they are being synchronized, how they are being coordinated, Nobody can expect what is going on there. I must thank who is behind this. Maybe some say GM Ravi is behind it, some say the bigger boss is behind it, Shiva boss, whoever it is. We must really say, bow may our head to their feet. I am ready to bow my head to their feet. Lot of services going on. Maybe at least to conduct this type of service, they have to charge. That is a different attitude and different aspect. But that is not correlated with the service they are doing. I thank everybody. I thank the management. I thank the management and not only management, everyone, even from the sweeper I will say namaskaram, because everybody is working like that. Even in our town, I haven't seen anybody coming when there is rain. Here, even in the rain, nobody stopped. They came and they have done the therapies, they have done the other programs and everything. My room is very clean. My bathroom itself is very clean, I must say. Every day they are doing the service. I thank each and everyone for the service they are doing and for the opportunity given to me by giving the bed to me and said and asking me to come and stay here. Thank you very much.